ANCEL AD310 Classic Enhanced Universal OBD2 Scanner Car Engine Fault Code Reader Can Diagnostic Scan Tool Black. Classic design. Fast scan and erase trouble codes. Even a beginner can use it. Read the error code, find out what the problem is and perhaps fix it. Save money and time. It cannot read and erase ABS, SRS airbag, and other systems fault codes. Works on most 1996 US-based, 2000 EU-based and Asian cars, and newer OBD2 and can domestic or import vehicles. Supports English, German, French, Spanish, Finnish, Dutch, Russian, and Portuguese. Easily determines the cause of the check engine light. IM monitor readiness test, turn off the mill, check engine light, as well as view freeze frame data. Read hard, memory, pending, intermittent, and historic codes and show definitions. The AD310 scanner is well built with a large LCD display, 128 by 64 pixel, that has white backlight and contrast adjustment, indicates test results directly. No need any batteries or charger, gets the power directly from the OBD data link connector in your vehicle. It's equipped with a 5 feet long cable and made of a very thick flexible insulator. There are 4 buttons on AD310. The up and down button for scrolling the menu. The enter and exit button allow for navigation back and entering menu.
Please subscribe now our channel for every new